Sorry about that, guys. Feeling a little under the weather. What's up, everybody? New episode of Dark Racial. It's that Hump Day Epi. It's a good one. It's a phenomenal one. Let's just jump in.
Yo, shut the fuck up, bro. I'm listening to Dark Racial Humor.
Dark Racial Humor, episode 126, first trimester.
I don't really care, 'cause I'm done. All the real love is not fun. There's no emotion on my face 'cause I'm numb. You see me everywhere you look, no, you can't have it.
Dark Racial.
Everything I said, messing with your head. Messing with your head. I said everything I said, messing with your head. Messing with your head, bro. Messing with your head. I've been texting her all night. She know I was going wrong.
Hello.
She left me right on red.
You really gotta get the endorphins going.
What's up, everybody? Hopefully you can hear me over the sound of my stomach.
What's going on, Jim?
What's up, guys?
And Aunt Cheryl, dude, what's going on, Aunt
The countdown to Corona. When will we get it?
Probably April 16th.
Realistically, you get it. What do? You just chill? You just not go anywhere?
Go to the doctor.
What are they gonna do? It's no cure. It's gonna charge you $200 to tell you what you already know. I would just stay in my room and just
Just cough it out.
cough it out.
Just put some blankets.
Unless I'm
sweater.
like fucking dying, probably just gonna be just
It's
have a
probably the
fever.
same thing, dude.
Probably just gonna.
You ever seen that Adam Sandler movie, Click?
Yes.
Do you like it?
Yes.
I'm not a big fan. Anytime it's on TV, I turn it off.
Really? I haven't seen it in like 20 years,
Yeah.
15 years. Why do you bring it up? And also,
Just thinking about it.
oh,
Sometimes I think about
That was-
Adam Sandler when I'm about to pod.
fucking
Like,
random.
Just like in my mind, like Adam Sandler, you know.
What's up, everybody? Welcome to Dark Racial Humor. It's that free-flowing, in-depth conversation about whatever is appropriate at the time.
What if we had a drop that says that?
Nah.
Oh, okay.
Nah.
Call it John David Rick.
Why don't we have a drop that's just an entire episode? And we just sit here and listen to the drop.
It might laugh as like ad libs.
Yes. Oh, like a laugh track. So, like iCarly.
Yeah, I've heard of it.
When shit
Feet,
that
dude.
laughs, shit that isn't funny, you know. You know, I got into this really weird like YouTube algorithm thing
Where'd you end up?
about fucking like Nickelodeon stars, and it was like a bunch of videos like these stars hated each other, and it was like Drake and Josh, and it was like why Victoria Justice's career never really took off.
Why didn't it?
What was I saying? What was it saying? It was saying like she was like so tied to Nickelodeon, and then like she did a bunch of fucking kid friendly like TV movies, and then at the same time her music career was like starting to take off along with Ariana Grande, but all of her music was being put in like Nickelodeon shows,
Yeah.
and Ariana Grande's music was just like being played on the radio.
Ah,
And so and also Ariana Grande is a way better singer.
she was in bed with the Splat,
She was in bed with Dan Schneider,
known colloquially as the Splat.
the Splat
Did
King.
you ever watch the Splat?
No, what's
It
that?
was like Teen Nick, I think, but not Teen Nick.
Dude, did you see fucking The Weeknd on SNL?
No, I took it. I deliberately didn't watch because he's just giving me too much of the album at this point.
Oh no, not that fucking.
Oh, the other one? Yeah, I saw that.
the skit.
Yeah.
That was kind of funny.
It was cool.
Yeah, pretty weird.
Yeah.
That you know.
It was very classic SNL music bits.
Yeah,
I enjoyed it.
yeah. It was interesting
you could
hearing him
see-
sing with this like good voice.
Yeah,
with Kenan
versus-
Thompson.
Exactly,
Yeah.
dude.
Dude, shit. Can we play a clip of that? Can we
Sure.
Throw it up. How was your day? While I tell everyone about my day, my day is good. Just chilling here in the stew with Dom Helminski, Miles Morrow, aka Mr. Westwood,
AKA Mr. New Dark Racial.
and call John David Ricker,
AKA
and I'm
This
Bon
Adobe
Jones.
House with Dark Racial
AKA
Humor.
the bottom 4 drops of Group A.
I went to work today. What did I do at work today? Wow, it was so boring. It was just a blur.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Just
Oh, okay. So what's
time
going
flies
on?
when you're having a good time.
What's going on in my life is I have this new job opportunity for way, I'm not going to say less work, but less work in the sense that it's a way less drive
Yeah.
and it's like way less hours, but
Way less money.
way less money is the thing.
Yeah.
And so I'm like, yo,
Is it still in addition to another job?
yes,
Okay.
in addition to downtown.
Okay.
But like, and like it's still like a fine amount of money, but this eviction has me like spooked. I'm like,
Yeah.
I need as much money as I can get right now.
Yeah, same ski.
So I'm fucking like, might not take it.
Mm.
Might not take it. Even though I pretty much already have it. Like,
You should do it because the eviction thing is kind of a setback for like a couple months, maybe. Besides the like overarching thing of like, oh, I don't have enough income.
here's the thing though. Here's the thing. This is like a temp job. It's only like 2 months. That's the thing. That's a huge thing.
Well, you know,
So that's fucking what? In fucking June, it'll be done.
get another temporary thing after that.
Yeah.
Dude, I've been thinking about my demise with my current company.
Uh-huh.
My knee hurts a lot, and I think that's from biking a lot.
Oh, you should get that looked at.
So that's not fun. Trying not to think about that.
You should think about it. Maybe get it fixed.
I mean, what's wrong with it, you know?
I don't know. That's something a doctor could answer probably. Maybe an athletic trainer.
Oh, what am I going to fucking Skylar, dude?
I mean, maybe someone similar to Skylar. Maybe someone with more education in the knee area.
The knee doctors.
I don't know. I'll just ice it and quit bitching about it. Pussy.
Yeah, I took some Tylenol.
Oh.
Started stretching. I never really stretched
Cover up the pain. That's good.
in my year. That's why I was swelling, you know?
Yeah, but no, stretching's good.
Yeah, I didn't really stretch it over like the goddamn near year. I've been biking 30 minutes to a job. Mid-city, baby.
You need your fucking knees for your life, so,
Yeah.
you know.
I think one time someone brought up like killing your body slowly when you're young at a job. So you're like, oh, I have money later. I think I brought this up one time. But then you're like old and you're like kind of hurting and you're like, oh, no.
That's the thing with traveling. Someone told me they're like, you want to be fucking traveling when you're older and have money, but you can't fucking do anything because your
Yeah.
body hurts.
Yeah.
And I was like, oh, that's a good.
Man, I was making some designs for
Just
my
thought of
boy
something.
over at Endless, dude.
Yeah.
And it was Illustrator based, right? And I had to basically cut out certain parts of a design and make it black. And I was having a real hard time, right? And
Yeah.
then the person I worked for was emailing this dude who works at like a printing company who I stalked and found out he's been working there like all of his life, which is kind of weird. But he was like, yeah, dude, your boy over there is really just sucking it up, dude. Maybe you should get a new one. But then I did the job.
About you?
Yeah. And because I can read the emails. And so I read them.
Yeah.
But then I did it. And then he's like, oh, cool, nice, dude.
Nice. So
Learned
promotion.
a little bit of Illustrator, which is always fun.
Nice, dude. I was lifting some heavy weight yesterday.
Yeah.
You know, my elbow is cracking.
Oh, yeah.
That sounds like arthritis getting ready to start.
I think it's just, you should go to a chiropractor and get that fucking, get it yanked.
I should go to a lot of professionals. I'm
Yeah,
just
yeah.
scared.
Of what, money?
I don't know. What if they fuck up? If they tell me something I don't want to hear? Find out on this episode of Dark Racial Humor.
Fuck all this pretty sharp slaughter shit, nigga, ho!
This is the SNL thing, I think, right?
This is.
Out drinking with my boys late night. Come home to my lady past midnight. She waiting up, she throwing me shade. We having words, this
Kenan
is what she
Thompson.
said. She said I'm out too late. She pushed me away. There ain't nothing in the world that I can
Kenan
say.
Thompson has a song with The Weeknd.
So I'm sleeping on the couch tonight.
I wonder
She got me on
if
the
they get paid
couch
differently for
tonight.
songs on SNL.
I did wrong, but I meant to do
Yeah.
right
like the actors on SNL, not necessarily The Weeknd.
Do you think SNL has to be like, yo, we gotta contact his record label so we can get some type of vocals on our show?
Maybe. But like, do the comedians get paid differently?
I don't know, but you know, there's a fucking legal department for all that shit.
That's why I'm here.
Damn.
Caller John David Rickard, DDS. DDS is dentist. Here we go, Abel. Just like automatically different. And the joke is that they're all sleeping on the couch and more abruptly, and then you find out that they've actually been doing nefarious things to their spouses.
Oh,
and that's the
shit.
joke. That's the joke.
So they're sleeping on the couch.
Weekend is like at just a couch of a married couple, and the husband's like, hey, dude, you can't sleep here. We have kids.
The husband's also Daniel Craig.
Who's Daniel Craig?
Of James Bond fame. Yeah.
I knew he was like someone.
Dude. You know how like the host, he's the host of the episode. You know how the host like introduces like each time the singer goes on?
Ladies and gentlemen, The Weeknd.
The way he fucking introduced The Weeknd each time was so fucking funny, dude.
What was it?
Because he was like, ladies and gentlemen, are you fucking kidding me right now? It's the fucking, you know who it is, but he didn't do it like that. Just his facial expression, dude. Watch.
Okay.
Watch both of them.
I gotta go. I typed in Weeknd, The Weeknd, but I had to type in Weeknd, SNL.
Ladies and gentlemen.
Scared to Live. I'm really trying not to hear this song.
Just watch the first 10 seconds.
Hopefully. Oopsie doopsie.
The
Artless.
Weeknd. Once again, The Weeknd.
He's like, his arms are exasperated.
No, watch the
He's
other
like,
one.
Oh.
Ladies and gentlemen.
What's
The
the other
Weeknd.
one?
I think it was Blinding Lights.
Scared to Live. Too Scared to Live.
I fucked up. I listened to the song. I already forgot about it. But
Yeah.
It was beautiful.
That's good.
Yeah.
Ladies and gentlemen, The Weeknd.
Ladies and gentlemen, for your main course.
Dude, I wonder if they like talked about it, and because like with the whole this character of the album, it's kind of like a drugged up kind of wacky dude. So I wonder if it's like, oh, this motherfucker, dude.
You think?
Maybe.
I feel like it's like, I really enjoy his music.
Yeah.
So it's an honor to be introducing him.
Yeah. Do you think he talked about it to anybody, or he just went out there?
I don't think so. Or because I feel like if Travis Scott were performing, he wouldn't say it the same way.
Yeah.
He'd be like,
because it's fucking Travis Scott. No one gives a
like,
shit.
Who gives a fuck?
I
Dude.
really don't enjoy Travis Scott.
Dude, I was thinking about it. Neither do I.
Yeah.
Yeah. I think I like one song, maybe two.
I don't think I like one.
Really?
What's his poppin' one?
I don't even like his poppin' ones. I
What
like
is
this
it? What is
really old song he did that was like slower.
House of Balloons
Nah.
by Travis Scott. Imagine if Travis Scott made House of Balloons.
And he was like singing.
Yeah, he's good. Maybe with a little tiny bit of autotune.
Travis Scott, like, I don't know. I don't like artists that don't change.
Yeah.
Like A$AP
That's
Rocky.
also kind of what happens, like, when... Well, I guess Future's kind of opposite example of this, but when you have, like, a signature processing of your voice...
Yeah, but even, like... Yeah. Like,
But
fucking,
Future changed.
You think?
Kind of. Yeah.
Future's content changes, but his sound overall tone is the same.
It's the same... Yeah, but I can feel like I
Fucking-
could hear... I don't know. I just like Future more, maybe.
Migos has not changed.
Yeah, Migos is a good example.
Like...
Migos
fucking-
has the same song.
Migos could release a song they made in 2011 and no one would know.
Hey, yo, new Migos.
Oh my god.
I hope they're
dude.
doing good. I love a good Migos.
I hope
dude.
they're doing. I think they're doing fine.
Oh, there's a new Migos, Young Scott.
Who's
Young
the
Thug,
richest
Travis
Migo?
Scott, dude.
Who's the richest Migos?
I mean,
My
by
question.
by association, isn't one married to a Kardashian or a Cardi?
No. Cardi B. Who's the richest Migo with like by themselves?
I don't know.
Oh, it's
Are they
like-
all booed up in the hood up?
I don't know.
This
I
is
know
new
Quavo.
Migos.
I think Quavo might be.
But this is like a combination song. DJ Darrell, dude, always killing it. Oh, Murder's there too.
We don't get no fuck. No, we don't get no fuck. Fuck shit.
Same song.
We don't give no fuck. Fuck yeah,
Sparking, stick be sparking, do no talking. Watch me hit
I
the
still love
target,
it,
mark the carpet, then departed. Offset,
We don't
Like
get
this,
too far. Chop,
this is
hanging
the
out the
same
road
thing
truck.
as Travis Scott, which Travis Scott is also on this song, but I just like it more. I'm more attached to Migos than Travis.
Dude, Travis Scott is a good producer.
Is it what?
He's a good producer. But the lyrics bore me.
Yeah, I'm not a fan of the voice.
Yeah.
Dude, Migos,
It's
this
just, what are you
video is
talking
so
about,
good.
dude? Like, what are you talking about?
Is it really for that though?
But it's like not even that hype either. It's supposed to be like hype music, right? Maybe I need to go to Travis Scott's show.
Probably.
Yeah. But
I'm sure it shows dope.
it's probably crazy.
It was Young Thug, dude.
I like Young Thug for some reason.
Young Thug's a little bit of innovative, maybe.
He hasn't really changed it.
He's quite a fit in this. Where's Travis coming in, dude? We don't give a bleep. Come on, Travis.
Travis.
Okay, I lied a little bit. I kind of like it.
Yo.
Dude, I like it. Not a fan of the ad-libs.
I don't like the ad-libs.
But he does kind of have a nice, soothing voice.
He does have a signature
But it's also,
sound.
yeah, it's always the same dribble two-step.
Yeah.
It's always the same signature moves.
Yeah.
See, over here at DRH, we change up our shit every fucking week. Dude.
Travis, come on the pod, defend your honor.
I know you're listening. I know fucking your Kardashian is listening.
Who's he? Oh, yeah, he's the one married to a Kardashian. Or he was.
It's not even a Kardashian. It's a
The
Jenner.
richest Jenner.
I wonder how Jenner's doing, the girl.
She is
But the trend.
the daughter. Oh, Caitlyn. I
Yeah,
think
yeah.
she's been disowned by
Just
the
all of her
Kardashian
family.
clan.
That's probably lame, dude.
Probably sucks. Especially being that old.
Yeah.
All you have is your family.
Yeah.
And you're just like, oh, no one loves me.
She's probably just like, I just like,
Probably just
really,
like-
it's who I am. And then her family's like, yeah, we got an image. And you're not really helping that image.
We're not really trying to push that agenda.
It's like, oh, like, I mean, you guys
Oh.
still love me, right?
Guess I should have kept it to myself.
we love you, Dad. I mean, Mom.
Yeah.
That's
No,
probably kind of very weird for children, I can imagine.
I wonder what it's like. Because, there's like a lot of young Kardashian kids now. Right?
Yeah.
Are they just like, yo, this is grandpa that's also grandma that we don't speak to or
Probably
don't
just
talk
grandma,
to?
dude.
But she said, it's interesting. She said that I like my girls that still call me dad. Yeah, so you don't know. I
Maybe
don't
it's
know.
because like that's what they grew up with. So like she doesn't want a completely different.
In the end, it doesn't even matter because Caitlyn's not invited to any family gatherings or Thanksgiving
That's
or
just so
Christmas.
sad, dog.
I don't know. She probably is.
Probably not.
I know fucking one of the Kardashians
Probably not on TV.
did say that like they don't even talk.
They probably didn't talk before, bro.
Probably.
It's not even their dad, the Kardashians.
Is it not? Oh
It's
yeah.
the
How does that
stepdad.
work? Oh yeah.
It was the lawyer, Johnny Cochran or whatever.
No. Robert Kardashian was the guy. Johnny Cochran. Johnny Cochran was still getting some of that.
Johnny Cochran ass.
But you heard the rumor that O.J. Simpson is
He's at Home Depot.
Khloe Kardashian's dad, right?
Oh yeah,
Yeah.
didn't hear that ever. I
Really?
agree with it though.
Yeah, because like fucking Rob Kardashian was representing O.J. Simpson,
Mhm.
and O.J. Simpson was smashing Kris Jenner. Had little Khloe.
Mm.
Yeah. That's why she looks like.
Jenner came in and
hello. What's all this then?
nice little drop, dude.
I love it.
Nice little drop.
Shout out to the boys in Hull holding
Dude,
it
the
down.
boys in Hull, the Spotify viewership, the Apple Pod viewership.
Shout out to our fans in Italy, holding it down there. You can't leave.
Just literally
So,
holding it down, dude.
We appreciate you keeping.
Those sport players just playing in an empty coliseum was probably a little bit cool.
You think we're gonna look back on this and say, was this a little too much, or we took the right steps?
I don't know.
Has this ever happened before?
Like I said before, it might just because we're older, but it seems like there's more of a panic. Like, was shit being shut down during swine flu?
No,
Not really.
not even.
I don't know. There was Neil deGrasse Tyson interview on Sway in the morning, so you might want to listen to that. There was also a Joe Rogan virus expert on Joe Rogan.
Yeah.
So, and we, of course, have Dom and Miles. Dom and Miles, give us a thumbs up or a thumbs down, Corona.
We have the best
Thumbs
team
up, whatever that means.
in the game, and we're going to continue talking to them right after the break. There's more CNN, Corona News Network. Stay tuned after we get this bag.
New Megan Thee Stallion video.
Dark Racial Humor, episode 126, second trimester.
Hey, bitch, I'm a problem, nobody solving. You can keep hating, I'm popping regardless. He wanna build it like Megan Thee Stallion. Don't want your nigga cause I want his daddy. I like to switch up my style every week. I gotta switch up my hair every day.
Megan
I ain't no hoe, but I do be on
Stallion.
going. I promise my niggas gon' love me the same.
Might be a dude, bro.
Bro,
she might be a dude.
She could beat the shit out of both of us. All four of us at this table.
She might be a man.
She would. This is how it would go. Let's say we had, we could stand 100 feet away from her, and we got a head start. We just sprint down the street. She jumps 200 feet, catches up with us. She grabs me, bites my head off like an apple. Then she grabs you, rips you in half. Then she picks up Miles and Dom, smashes them into each other like a gorilla until they're fucking unconscious. And then she rips off their heads and sucks the nectar out of their spines.
This video is very curvaceous. She's bouncy.
I'm so indecisive, you can cuff me, but I'm wifey.
You must have to be a fucking big ass man to handle that. What?
6 something? Or no?
I don't know. You know how you can kind of look at girls and you can kind of know like they're a little too broad for me.
Sometimes, yeah.
Like,
I mean, not me. but-
Meg the Stallion, like you look them in the eye and your gaze immediately goes to the ground.
Everybody don't need a podcast.
Because you're like,
Might be
please,
a you thing.
please don't look at me. Please don't hurt me. Please don't talk to me.
I, for one, see just a broad woman. I say, bring it on, world.
Especially in Target, the
Say,
fucking
bring this
security
broad
guard.
on, I say.
Dog. Oh God, I have this story in college.
No, tell it.
There was this fucking girl in college, and she was not very attractive to me.
Before you say that, I feel
'Cause
like
attraction is
Megan
subjective.
might be not attractive without a bunch of makeup on.
Oh,
Besides her body figure, I feel like she might have a face of like, whoa.
I just think she's like, she could snap my back with her thighs.
And I'm ready, dude. I have a small bed.
So anyway, there's this fucking girl,
Sorry, mom.
and I don't know, dude. I guess we like met at a party or something. We exchanged Snapchats, and she would just keep sending me pictures of her boobs, dude.
Yeah.
And like,
Sorry, Mom.
I just like wouldn't respond. And then
I send her a picture of my boobs.
and then I saw her on campus one day, dude. And
She's like, oh, your boobs.
she locked eyes with me, bro, and gave me like a sup nod, right? And then like did that thing with her eyebrows, bro. And I just felt so violated. I was like,
Yeah. That's how probably women feel a lot.
whoa.
You should have gone to the campus
Counselor?
police, dude.
To the police?
Yeah, that's
Well, she wasn't really
unsafe.
like,
She raped you.
I mean, nah, mentally.
Yeah, that's all. That's abusive.
Yeah, I don't know. Yeah, so
Are you okay, dude?
I think about it every night. I think about it a lot.
I think it's really fucked up your mental. All you
It's great though.
all you
It's
think about is just ferocious sex.
I complain about things that people would dream of experiencing.
A house?
Huh?
A house?
No, getting sent unsolicited nudes.
Speaking of unsolicited nudes, coronavirus hospital ward staffed by robots opens in Wuhan to protect medics. Oh, what?
Really? That's some China shit. Apparently, cases are going down there.
In China? 'Cause
Yeah.
they got robots, bro.
Yeah,
Or maybe everybody's just dying. Off.
everybody's just getting it, and that's
Have you ever been to the
No.
Oakland airport?
the Oakland airport? Yes.
Have you been to the Oakland airport, departing from the Oakland airport, and when you go up, there's a bar, and have you ever seen a little robot that gives you bar menus and talks about the beers?
Probably.
It was cool. The first time I saw it, I was like, "Holy shit, dude, you're a robot!" And I was just chilling with it for a minute.
Did you kick it over?
No, dude, I'm not a fucking.
Why not? That was your
psychopath.
that was your
dude.
fucking chance.
I interacted with it and
now.
learned about IPAs.
Do it now while they're dumb.
No,
All I can do is talk to you about IPAs.
I'm forever on the side of the robot. There's a
Ooh.
weird theory about that where it's like some kind of simulation where humans are programmed to be on the side of the robot as the AI is progressing. And me saying like, "Oh, I'm with robots" is a good thing for this AI, and then people that say, "Oh, they're against robots," take that into note.
It's a good thing for you because they're gonna fuck you
kinda
up
like
if you
Jesus,
don't.
dude, and
fucking
God, Jesus and God.
right. God's gonna fuck you up if you don't
But it's
submit.
a robot. It's a robot.
God is just AI, and we're following the AI. I think.
That's cool.
Yeah.
Here I am. Hopefully, I'm programmed good.
What'd you eat for lunch today?
What did I eat for lunch?
Yeah.
I ate Uncle Ben's rice.
Nice.
Yeah, it was
just rice.
Yeah, it was a bag of rice. There were some beans in there, and it was also like lime.
Nice.
Yeah. Sometimes I put tuna in that bitch, but I didn't want to go tuna today.
The tuna's been giving me some diarrhea.
Where are you getting tuna from?
Ralph's.
Ralph's tuna, like packaged or what?
No, it's in a can, dude. You seen the fucking water aisle at Ralph's, dude?
Yeah. Why are they not restocking water?
Because they're out of water.
What do you mean
bro?
they're out of water?
Their water is limited. Water is finite, my friend.
What are you talking about? You saying there's a water war? I remember way back when I was always very conscious of water because I, along with other people, have an opinion that just like how oil is fought over between countries, water will be the next war fought.
Oh, it's coming sooner than you think.
Yeah. They're really just out of water?
Dog, they're out. Oh,
Are
water.
they getting it from China?
No, they're getting it from the mountains. I mean, it's raining all week, so that's good. But
I mean, they're like, is there? Have
now
you read
it's-
any literature about this out of water epidemic?
I do. Well, Ralph's is saying that they only let people take 2 gallons
Oh, I definitely took 2 gallons
at a time.
Yeah, I saw that empty water aisle and definitely stocked up a little bit.
I used to walk out of that bitch with like 12 gallons. I
But then
can't.
you drink it all.
Yeah.
Bust. Bastard.
Well, I mean, fucking, what am I gonna do? Not drink it?
You got some good Brita filtered water over there.
I know. I need to stock the fuck up
Yeah.
now.
Yeah. That was quite a grim sight for sure.
Yes,
It
dude.
like we were saying before the break. It does seem a little more grim this virus scare. It's always
Yeah.
during an election year. First of all, I just want to put that out there, but
Yeah.
it seems a little more scary, a little scary boot,
A
little scary spooky.
Seems like people aren't even dying. I mean, people are
There's
dying.
people dying.
But it's like
I think people
are getting better, right?
Who knows?
Or are they just like staying
just
sick forever?
Don't think about it.
Fuck it. We're all gonna have it.
Like, you're really like, besides
I already
general
have it.
cleanliness, you thinking about it really won't do anything.
Yeah.
Maybe I won't go on a plane to China this week. But other than that, like, what? Flights are cheap. Speaking of everything being cheap and everything being
stock market's cheap.
Stock market plummeting, I would advise people to grab Robinhood. And by advise, I mean this is not an advisement.
And use my fucking code so you get a free stock and I get a free stock.
But yeah, while the world is panicking with viruses, I don't know, buy some aircraft stock, maybe some crude oil, even though I'm kind of against crude oil a little bit.
Wash your hands.
Definitely, I'm a little more cleanly now.
Yeah.
Cognizant of my face touching.
I touch my face like it's my job.
But like your face or like your open holes?
Oh, no, I'm just like licking my hands, dude. I like touching doorknobs and then licking my hands.
Yeah,
That's my favorite.
That is definitely more in my mental now. Alex is eating someone's pizza, so if you guys
Dirty cat on the counter.
it's really dirty. I can see here black paws.
See, that's the thing we gotta not do.
Alex, you're really eating that pizza. That's kind of gross.
So today I met a guy.
Yeah.
And I was like, nice to meet you.
Oh,
and
sorry.
like we like looked at each other. Like waiting for someone to put out their hands, but we both like agreed we shouldn't do that.
What did that sentence look like?
It was like, hey, what's your name? Jonathan. Oh, I'm
Not even a fist bump?
No.
Because then you know.
Like I was Nah, like, and he wasn't even from this country, so he fucking knew.
Oh,
Yeah. Or maybe he was just racist, but I don't know. I'm just
Maybe.
kidding.
Where did he seem to be from?
I don't know. Like, somewhere. Not here.
Was he brown? Did he have a beard?
He was a white guy.
He was a white guy with a beard.
He had long hair.
Blonde?
Brown.
Brown.
Short.
Short.
Was thinking
Short
of
hair or
getting-
short person?
Short person.
Maybe an island of sorts?
It was probably like New Zealand or some shit.
New Zealand, are they brown haired?
I don't know.
Are they browns?
I don't know.
The BHs?
I've never been. Where the fuck are you walking out of the pod? Aye.
Oi.
What's all this then?
Again, shout out to the boys in the holes, dude. You guys want to do the bi-monthly leaderboards of who's repping the hardest?
Yes.
Sure do, bro. If you go over to anchor.fm/darkracialhumor or something like that, you can give us some money. But we only want money if you're from Oregon and at Boardman, dude. Boardman, Oregon is repping hard. California is just Los Angeles, West Hills, and Mountain View. But it's okay, dude. A little bit of Oaktown in there. And then you know who reps hard in the UK, bro. It's your boys. Whole hello. What's all this then?
Hello.
It's another epi.
What if they don't even listen to the new episodes?
They
What if it's just
don't.
a bunch of people just listening to the old ones?
We haven't recognized them yet.
Episodes 1 through 10.
When did we start the whole?
I don't know.
Someone
Episode
in the
101.
future.
I don't
Someone
know.
in the future will tell us.
Hello. What's all this? Then we're
speaking
almost
of-
done with season 2.
Speaking of podding, dude, the JBP boys are touring their pod. This is, I think, their second or third tour of a podcast.
Are they making that fresh dough?
It's just a lot of pizza with that fresh dough. They're sitting on a stage, podding.
Just talking.
In front of a goddamn theater.
For money.
For money. And it's lit, too. Like, it's pretty good.
Really?
And they have to do, like, day after day, so sometimes it's not as good. But it's pretty fucking fun. I'm definitely not going to go because I think it might be a waste of money.
How much is it?
It's probably like fucking $30, $50. I don't know.
Fuck off.
It can't be anywhere below 20, bro.
What the fuck? People pay for that shit?
It's pretty fun. Dude.
Just listen to it.
If the boys listen to the JBP with me, I'd probably go with them.
Oh.
It is kind of weird though.
Hey, dude, you want to go to this live podcast?
It's kind of just like a comedy show. You know?
What if we did a live podcast? You think people would come? You think people would like us?
Maybe if we advertised it a little bit.
Like, hey, everybody, it's Dark Racial Humor Live.
The
live pod.
I'm looking at these tickets for the Joe Budden podcast live at the Orpheum Theater.
We're in Australia.
Have you seen the Orpheum Theater?
Where's that?
I don't know, but it's in LA.
Orpheum.
Yeah. Oh my goodness.
What?
Y'all are fucking whiling.
How much?
I don't know if this is resale or what, but what looks like to be the cheapest option is $94.
Fuck off.
And 132 people ordered their tickets in the last 45 minutes.
What?
And box seats are $264.
Yeah, I got box seats to the Joe Budden podcast.
On tour.
Orpheum Theater is pretty big.
Yeah, dude, they packed the shit out.
Holy shit. I want to go live, dude. What? When do we get to go live? Sponsored by VPN. Sponsored by someone. Sponsored by Target. Dark
Sponsored
Racial
by
Humor Live.
Adobe House Music. That's right. Okay, maybe we're looking at $55 tickets here.
That's still fucking a lot of money.
Yeah. And there's a whole lot of tickets left to be bought.
Damn.
But,
That'd be embarrassing if like half the theater's full.
It only looks like not a lot. But it's also in March, April, May. But it definitely didn't sell out.
They should just make the tickets $20 and sell that shit out. Alex!
Oh, nice, dude. That was crazy, dude.
Stupid bitch.
That was some good authoritarian cat calling.
Yeah, I'm training her. I'm training her. a little
Alex is my girl indeed, bro.
bit. No, Alex is my girl.
Dow futures fall 500 points while Asian markets struggle. Oh, whoa. Australians S&P dropped 2%. South Korea's Kospi declined 0.8. Japan Nikkei 225 lost 0.6. Dow's down 518 points. NASDAQ down 2.1. It's spring sale, y'all. Ooh, I don't got no more footage in my phone.
I kind of want to buy Apple.
Yeah. Kind of like a China thing.
Yeah, because it's low right now. They're really just getting their fucking ass rammed
What are we
by this
talking?
Corona shit.
What's an average app?
An average, what?
Apple, not.
I don't know, but I know it dropped like 200 points, $200 this month.
Nice.
Not 200, maybe like 100, maybe like 50.
Nice.
Fucking
nice.
email me. Holy shit.
This is the time, ladies and gentlemen, to spend your money on other people's money. You hear that Tesla might be making a mid-USA factory?
Really?
Yeah.
Yeah, I was thinking about...
Build your own factory?
Nah, that's another thing too.
What?
About
The
having
stock
this...
market?
No, about having this fucking job that
Yeah.
I'm at right now.
Yeah.
Just have so much money to just throw at the stock market.
So, it's good because you have more money.
Yes.
Yeah.
Yes.
Yeah. I mean, fuck, man.
Or maybe I should just fucking get one job that pays a lot of money.
It's probably less hours.
That's probably... Yeah.
Maybe just make your own company that makes $50,000 a year.
Damn, dude.
It's a little hard, huh?
Yeah. Yeah, so did you know that Twitter is now letting people know whether videos are manipulated or not
Manipulated
with AI,
with AI.
deepfakes,
Ah.
manipulated media,
How do they know that? A sick algorithm?
a sick algorithm?
That's cool.
Fucking Donald Trump actually retweeted a thing of Joe Biden that was fake.
Yeah. That's fucked.
Yeah,
Jesus
and Twitter
Christ.
caught it.
Fake news ass.
It looked real.
Of course it did.
Yeah.
Okay, do you think he thought it was real?
Yes, I thought it. I thought it was real.
Did you?
Yeah.
Damn. That's not safe.
No,
That's not safe.
we don't know what's
The
fucking.
fucking president just retweeted. Let me just say this sentence for future generations. A former reality TV show host that wears fake hair, which is not that big of a deal, but is president, retweeted on a social media platform a fake. What does AI stand for? Jesus Christ.
Artificial intelligence.
Artificially intelligized video of what is most likely their competitor. And people thought it was real. Man,
Yeah,
it's
it's-
really fucking weird that the Democratic Party is just sandbagging the fuck and has been for 2 elections now, Bernie Sanders.
They've been what? Sandbagging?
Yeah.
What does that mean?
Not allowing him to prosper.
Knuckle dragging?
No, knuckle dragging is more like primal stupidity.
Oh. I love that term, knuckle dragging. Oh, not letting Bernie fucking do his thing?
Win.
Oh. Yeah, dude.
They did it with Clinton. They did it with Biden.
Do you think... Was it the Democratic Party that did it with Clinton? Or was it
There
just her?
There was an email that was leaked during WikiLeaks that was like basically saying, all right, Clinton's our girl.
So why didn't she win?
Because Trump won.
So like they were not trying to make her win, or they were trying to
No,
make
they
her
were
win?
they were trying to make her the nominee,
Oh.
and not Sanders.
Oh, yeah, well, they've been doing that for ever, I feel like.
It's fucked.
It's
America.
It's America, dude. It's the money, bro.
Pretty weird.
It's the money, dude. Shout out, what's his face? Fucking Jewish guy, really rich, basically made Obama win.
IDK.
Fucking, what is his goddamn name?
Let me type in Jew and Obama on Google.
I feel like, fuck.
Jew Obama.
Poured billions into Hillary's campaign.
Obama, Jew Obama, Clinton.
Obama, Jewish
90K.
guy.
But that's why people fuck with Israel.
What is his fucking name?
Alan Kruger.
He's a fucking, like...
You know, Bernie's a Jew.
Is he?
Yeah.
Gross. I'm just kidding. I love Jewish people. Full disclosure, my wife is Jewish. We make Jewish jokes all the time. Also, I don't have a wife.
Yeah.
What is this goddamn... All right, I'll think of it later. All right, we'll be right back. Fuck.
Just kidding. I'm gonna make a clip.
I don't have things when I reach out. I don't do iCloud, don't do email.
Oh, shit. Internet's kind of shit right now.
Internet's been shit. I don't know what's up.
Mine's been okay. I kind of still have to pay it.
It's so slow on my phone.
Gonna pay it today, but they're still not full.
Fuck. Are we recording?
I'm lagging.
Axel.
Oh, it's Axel there.
Oi, 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 oi.
Okay, my computer's now out of my control. That's cool.
I don't got things for me, so
Oh, here we go. Are we recording?
we are.
Oh, what's up, everybody? It's me, John. That's gonna keep happening. Welcome to Third Trimester. How's everybody doing?
Hungry.
It's Dark Racial Humor.
Coachella, how you feeling? Hey,
and funny joke.
are you happy that Coachella's postponed?
I am indifferent, very much so. Actually, it would be cool. I mean, it's gonna happen, but I would like to watch it on the internet.
I'm happy that it's postponed because I cannot afford to go. I was gonna go.
That's fucked.
I know.
What is it? In
what?
April?
Yeah.
You were gonna go the month of.
Oh, okay. I was set on going before the eviction. Then the eviction happened. And I was like, I hope it gets canceled. And then it got canceled.
So it's really everything's good.
Everything's chilling, dude. You know. Now all I gotta do is not get corona.
Yeah, you probably won't.
Hopefully, I lick a lot of things at the gym.
You should think about it all the time.
I have to. I think I have a fever.
Huh.
Oh, hey guys.
Don't do iCloud. Don't do emails.
Did you see that video of Post Malone?
No, what?
He was on stage and he
I'm
was like,
sick of that motherfucker, bro.
he was like rolling around.
Oh yeah, was there some drug shit? And they were like, "Yo, this isn't fucking normal behavior."
This ain't Christian, Posty.
Yeah, I saw that shit and just scrolled right past it.
And then he was like,
Tell me about it.
he was like, I'm not on drugs. I'm fucking happy.
He probably was, dude.
You know, yeah.
If there's anybody who, I mean, he's probably a little bit drunk, and he's probably doing a little bit of drugs, but
Has to be.
but he's probably doing okay.
Selling out stadiums every night.
Post death would
Boring.
make me a little sad because I feel like he's kind of wholesome.
He's probably sad.
No, a post death.
Oh,
I don't think he's sad. I think he's doing okay.
Really?
Yeah.
I think he's lonely.
Oh yeah, I think he's
lonely.
lonely. Yeah, you think he's lonely, dude.
I think he's a lonely
Yeah,
man.
you think he's sad and lonely, bro?
Yes. I think a lot of celebrities are.
I think that's just people, kind of, sometimes.
Yeah, but doesn't it feel like...
If you're a celebrity, you're always surrounded by people.
Yeah. So it's like one thing to be lonely if you literally have no one. You're just like, okay, you're lonely. But then you're just like, you're still lonely and you have like everyone.
Yeah.
That's something that I think is very interesting in the psyche.
Sure. The celebrity psyche of people. You never know what's real, what's fake.
I want to know what...
If you're real or you're fake.
Yeah. I want to know
why
what
I
being...
think...
What?
Good.
I was like, I want to know what being famous does to children. Long term.
It's probably not great. You have you have a different... I mean, by not great, take that with a grain of salt, but you definitely have a different reality.
Yeah. It's like that's all you know.
Yeah, your existence is different than a lot of people.
Crazy, dude.
I was saying that's why I think maybe some people that are celebrities, if they don't make maybe say if they're making music just for like commercial purposes, it might fuck with their psyche a little more because it's like, oh man, none of this is actually like what I enjoy and what I like. And it's like, oh, people like a character, which maybe is a good thing. Maybe you're like, this is completely, I know this isn't me, and I know this is just a character, like Gorillaz.
Yeah, but then everyone else thinks it's you. Like, hey, say a funny joke, bitch.
Yeah,
They're just like, oh,
that's comedians, dude.
I'm not happy all the time.
I
Will
saw it.
Smith was saying that. He was like, yeah, people expect me to be happy all the time, but I'm a person. I'm more than just Will Smith.
My name's Will.
My name is Josiah.
I saw Chris D'Elia shirtless, and I get why people might think he's attractive.
You think why people think he's what?
Attractive. He's ripped.
Is he really?
He's ripped.
Really?
Yeah. I think he's
Not
more
expect-
ripped.
not
He's
expecting
more
that.
ripped now. I think I was watching Netflix is a Joke, which I still don't understand fully what that is.
Yeah,
It's
me
kind of like
either.
Comedy Central Presents or something. But his upper torso definitely looks different than it used to be, and it looks like comedically weird.
Chris D'Elia looks like he would spit on you if he had a. No, that's right. I saw him live, and he was spitting on everyone. Yeah.
Look up maybe a Chris D'Elia shirtless
It was
one
gross.
time for the one time, dude. He's for sure ripped, and he's also known to be just a ferocious sex beast.
Were we watching? Were we looking at the same picture?
I don't know.
Because he does not look ripped. He just looks like
Is his shirt off?
yeah. In all of these.
When was it?
I'm just on Google.
Chris D'Elia
He looks kind of ripped here. He just has a big chest.
ripped.
He just looks like he does chest day every day.
Chris D'Elia ripped. Oh yeah, no, I'm seeing a different pic of Chris.
Let me see.
Not currently, but maybe I just saw it in my dreams or something.
Chris D'Elia ripped.
2020. I love typing in celebrity ripped. 2020 shirtless.
You know, if he really, really, really went for it, he could get it.
I swear I saw him just fucking.
You like that fucking, what's that guy's name?
I don't know.
Fucking, that guy from Silicon Valley? The Indian guy. He's fucking ripped.
I think.
What's his name?
Kamel.
Fucking Kamel. How do you spell that shit?
It's like Chameleonaire.
I was like,
Dude, shout out Chameleonaire. Chameleonaire, you know him from such fame as Riding Dirty, is just a fucking sick entrepreneur and really just killing it in all aspects of life.
bro, just Google Indian guy from Silicon Valley. It's the third picture.
I think he is doing a movie or something, and he was friends with Batista.
Yeah.
If you know Batista. Stuber? Who the fuck's Stuber? Oh, the movie. The Uber with Batista movie. And he was like, yo, Batista, just put me on your regimen, big daddy, is what Camille called him. And then next thing you know, you're just fucking Gronk from that movie.
Wow.
Not Gronk, but
That
Grack.
sounds,
Who's Batista?
that sounds great.
Batista, you want to hop into sports? I got some NFL 2K news.
Oh, thank
All right, because I
God,
totally
That's
did the
not
math and
that,
did
but,
not.
if you heard of 2K, the sports company, do you know them?
No, I hate video games. I think they're a waste of time.
But what about the artistry of making it?
Fuck that shit. No, I'm just kidding. Yeah. No, it really is. an
2K.
art.
So like, there's 2K and there's EA. Those are the two big sports video game companies. And right now, EA, apparently there's something where, so like you make a football game, right? And it's like a simulation of that game, and it's like realistic. And apparently, only one company can own the rights to realistic simulation of a sport at a time.
What? Why?
I don't know.
That's dumb.
Maybe it's like a Monopoly thing, but the rest have to be like an arcade type version. Like if you ever played Blitz, NFL Blitz.
What?
No,
That's
yes,
so
no.
weird.
Blitz is just like, it was a thing in like the 2000s that I played with my homies on fucking PS2 or PS whatever, and it's like unrealistic football, and I didn't know it at the time, and so I'm going up for a fucking catch with my player. Next thing you know, my homie fucking hits me out of the air and like beats me up, and it's like an arcade thing. But EA right now has the only simulation for that, but its rights on that is coming up to a close, so 2K might hop on that. 2K games. That's a fun little thing.
Just getting tackled in VR.
Maybe not VR yet.
Imagine getting tackled.
Yeah, I used to play football.
Flag football, dude.
No, fucking real football. Hated it.
Fucking soccer.
No. American football.
Oh.
I would be like, why am I fucking just aggressively hitting people?
Yeah.
For what purpose?
Yeah, football was... I don't think I was allowed to play football.
Yeah, you're one of those fucking pussies.
That's me, dude. Mr. No Concussion
You
Boy
got
over
those
here. I was just...
pussy parents.
I was just on the sidelines enjoying not having concussions.
If you're not getting hit in just rattled in your dome, dude, then what are you doing, you know?
Not injecting steroids in the locker room.
You know I was juiced up in high school, bro.
Oh, man, dude.
Dude, you know, people were doing creatine, and I thought it was like a really like steroid-ass thing to do at the
Really?
time, which is still, it kind of is. It's kind of weird. But I was like, whoa, what are you guys doing? Are you guys doing steroids? Like, yeah, whatever, dude, it's creatine.
Bro, creatine is
Shout out to my boy
crazy.
Leland. I used to do weights with Leland in the morning, but he's dead now.
If you ever need to lose a ton of weight, take creatine, work out like a monster for a month, and then stop for 2 days. You will lose everything.
You want to hop into
Or just
Diddley Sports? dude?
Don't. I thought we were in sports. What the fuck were we talking
That
about?
was like pre-sports.
Oh, no.
Ryan Rivers, he's in range. He shoots in time.
Yeah.
Can't beat the fucking Clippers. Y'all make me sick with this shit.
Make me sick with this shit.
The Lakers beat your boys.
Who?
Who the fucking
The
Atlanta
Clippers?
Hawks? Who do you think?
It's because they were having a bad day. Wait, so are they really gonna like not have people at their games?
In the media for like locker rooms and shit, they're only having essential people. Like I don't know, trainers and players.
So I can't hang out in there.
Fans are still going, but in Italy, they're emptying all the fans. No fans.
Damn.
Yeah, it's really just
It's really happening,
a lot of
guys.
scare tactics out of here, and it's really just the left wing media. And I'm not gonna have it, okay? Because my boy Robert, what's that fat fuck's name who has cancer now?
Wow, that was a little
I forgot
heavy.
his name, dude. He's fat and he.
Ain't nothing ruined
diagnosed,
my
dude.
trip to Jamaica.
You didn't hear anything tropical. No tropical is being fucked about. It's just fucking.
Probably because it's hot there.
Isn't it bad in hot? It's bad. It's bad for the viruses in cold. I thought.
No, it's good for the viruses in cold.
Are you sure?
Yes.
Are you positive?
I'm not a
I feel like you
doctor,
said
so
the-
I'm not going to say positive.
I think you said the opposite.
No,
Last
I
time.
said it's going to get worse in the fall. Remember?
When it's colder.
Yes.
But it's colder now.
But it's almost summer.
Yeah, it's cold.
Yeah, but it's cold here.
Clippers are 6.5 games behind the Lakers. in
That's
second
trash.
place. But
I'm
they're in
gonna
second
kill
place,
myself.
dude.
Just kidding.
But I mean, if they were in first, you'd have to go against the Grizzlies, dude. And that's probably wanted. But your real boys over there in Oaktown, dude. Steph Curry's back, so it's just fun and enjoyable to watch because Steph Curry's cool.
Wow. Steph Curry.
Usually it's a raucous crowd always and forever, but
Yeah,
is
I love-
Steph Curry back?
Love watching him blow kisses to his wife mid-game. That's super fun.
He doesn't do that. All he does is score threes and shimmies, dude.
And then he humps his fucking wife, takes an Instagram picture, and throws it on the gram for everyone to see.
That's when he's rehabbing. But now he's back.
Is that what he's trying to... He was so bored from not playing basketball. He actually had to spend time with his wife.
Oh, man. You really hate on fucking Aisha, don't you?
I don't know why.
You hate on Aisha.
I
You're
think
a
I think
fuck,
he
dude.
could do better. I think he could do better. I'll fucking say it. What do you want me to say?
I'm over here trying to talk about my boys winning, and you're just talking about Instagram booty, dude. I don't
Kobe
give
and
a shit
Vanessa
about that,
were
dude.
both winners. They both had a winning mentality.
Did they?
Aisha's just insecure. Well, what else do you want me to say?
Just literally nothing about that because I don't care.
Hey, everyone out there, I know you care. Aisha, insecure? Write me at Bond_Jen on
And
Twitter.
you know would get that the most traction, dude.
Oh, man. I
That would
love
get
it.
The most traction. Warriors still the worst team in the league? Goddamn right, dude. Owning it. fucking get that lottery pick.
I wouldn't even step foot on that court if I were you, Steph. You're too good to be fucking playing with those losers. They can't hold their own.
One person he's playing with is married to his
Corona.
sister, dude. So
That's
it's
weird.
His brother-in-law.
That's weird.
Yeah, a little bit weird.
Like,
but then
you've
again,
been smashing my sister.
One time, someone playing with LeBron, I forget his name, but he also might have been addicted to drugs. Fuck LeBron's mom.
What?
Yeah. Then he was quickly off the team after that. But now he's kind of on the crack, that good crack.
Wait, who did that?
Teammate of LeBron.
How do you fuck LeBron's mother?
Just with your penis, probably.
But how do you you wine and dine her and then you fuck her? LeBron's mom?
I mean, you're still a dude.
Why do you think that would be a good idea? Fucking your teammate's mother, especially LeBron James.
Just pussy's powerful.
That's like that fucking guy that, what's his name? That fucking ratted out homeboy.
Yeah. Someone in the Lakers.
Yeah.
Brown? D'Angelo Brown?
Nah, it
Russell?
was fucking Russell, yeah.
He used to be on the Warriors, and then the Warriors were like, all right, get this fucking snitch off the team.
Maybe he should keep his mouth shut next time.
Yeah, weirdo.
Yeah. Who ratted on fucking the guy that
Clinton?
That's the worst thing you could do to someone.
Just getting someone's personal business.
No, fucking their mother.
Yeah, hey.
Like, think of something worse. Besides killing them.
Okay, I was going to say murdering someone's mother. I don't know, fucking someone's dad. And
I don't think that's worse.
you don't think your homeboy is and your homeboy you're good friends with your dude, right? And then your dad just has a wonderful relationship with your mother and kids, right? And then next thing you know, your homie comes in. It's like, dude, fuck your dad, and you're like, whoa, you're blowing my whole reality right now.
What if the situation is different? What if my parents weren't married and my dad was just gay?
Weren't married.
Yeah, because then that
but they had you.
That implies that my dad cheated with a man, and that would be different.
Okay, I don't know. Maybe male on male thing doesn't hit someone as hard as male on female mother thing.
No one better touch my mother. LeBron probably killed that guy. That's why
Don't bring it up. On crack.
He probably killed that guy's kids.
He's on crack.
And now he's on crack.
Former LA Sparks GM Penny Toller says her firing in 2019 is complete BS, and now she's suing the team, claiming she was only axed because she complained about fellow executives' inappropriate behavior.
Maybe she should keep her mouth shut.
Toller was canned during last year's WNBA postseason after she used the N-word during what she claims was a pump-up locker room speech. She is black.
Speaking of inappropriate behavior, Weinstein is looking at 29 years.
It's probably good. I feel like that's kind of not a lot.
Yeah, he was going to ask for 5. He's going to ask the judge to show mercy.
Well, didn't he have like 59 girls be like, yo, homie, rape me?
I think they were only able to prove 2.
Yikes.
Yeah.
Judge was like,
I love that
I'm
movie,
really bound by the law here, my guy.
My guy.
You know, I want to hit you with like a hundo, but you know.
Yeah.
but those kids who stole shit in a liquor store, give them 10.
Still waiting for Oprah to do the Weinstein interview with the victims, but that'll never happen. Oh, all right. Done. Great episode, guys. Love you. Peace out, bitch. Sis.
Bye.